Ferrari SF90 Review Script. Opening scene, a Ferrari SF90 parked in a stunning location, with cinematic shots of its aggressive design and aerodynamic curves. Host. Welcome to GTL Interactive. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most powerful and technologically advanced Ferraris ever built, the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. This hybrid supercar is a game-changer in the world of performance vehicles. Let's check it out. Cut to a close-up of the Ferrari badge and SF90 logo. Exterior and design. Show close-ups of the front, side, and rear, highlighting key design elements. Host. The SF90 is a masterpiece of aerodynamics and Italian design. With its sharp lines, aggressive stance, and sleek LED headlights, this car screams speed even when standing still. The active aerodynamics system ensures maximum downforce at high speeds, while the lightweight carbon fiber components reduce weight and improve performance. Engine and performance. Cut to engine bay and exhaust sound clips. Host. Now, let's talk about what makes this car truly special: its powertrain. The SF90 Stradale features a 4.0L twin-turbo V8 combined with 3 electric motors, producing a mind-blowing 986 horsepower, 1000 CV, and 800 Newton-meters of torque. Overlay text with key performance stats. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 2.5 seconds. Top speed, 211 miles per hour, 340 kilometers per hour. Transmission, 8-speed dual-clutch automatic. Drivetrain, all-wheel drive. This hybrid system allows for instant power delivery, making the SF90 one of the fastest Ferraris ever built. Interior and technology. Show shots of the luxurious leather seats, digital dashboard, and steering wheel controls. Host. Inside, the SF90 is a perfect blend of luxury and performance. The fully digital 16-inch curved display provides all the essential driving data, while the touch-sensitive controls on the steering wheel allow you to switch driving modes effortlessly. The car offers multiple driving modes, including eDrive, electric-only mode, hybrid, performance, and qualifying mode, which unleashes full power for track days. Driving experience and handling. Show footage of the SF90 speeding through a racetrack, cornering sharply. Host. Driving the SF90 is an unreal experience. Thanks to its all-wheel drive system and advanced torque vectoring, handling is razor-sharp. The instant torque from the electric motors eliminates turbo lag, making acceleration feel effortless. The brake-by-wire system and carbon ceramic brakes ensure maximum stopping power, giving you full confidence at high speeds. Final thoughts. Cut to scenic shots of the SF90 driving into the sunset. Host. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale is a revolution in the world of supercars. With nearly 1,000 horsepower, hybrid technology, and Ferrari's legendary engineering, this car sets a new benchmark for performance. What do you think about the SF90? Would you choose this over a LaFerrari or a McLaren P1? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to GTL Interactive for more supercar reviews. See you in the next video. End scene, a final close-up of the roaring exhaust and a high-speed pass. Would you like any modifications or specific details for this script?